Hey guys, it's Brooke here from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. Stop it, Bumper Snoot. Okay guys, so today I'm cleaning out the pond, so let me flip the camera around. So guys, this is what I'm cleaning. I drained most of the water out of it simply because scooping the, usually the little pond skimmer thing was just hard going. So I think it'll be easier if I just get a bucket, get in there with my hands, scoop stuff up and put it in the thing. I think it might go quicker, so we shall see. So I don't even know what time it is. It's after 2, but we'll see. I'll try coming back in an hour and then we'll see how far I've gotten. Okay guys, so I cleaned it out. I got most of the stuff out, and once I'm filling it with water. I have to go back and skim it a little bit because I see the water is kicking up some additional stuff. And then actually, you know, while that's doing that, I'm actually going to pour some Clorox in there, which will help with the greenness. And I need to get some of that sludge, breaker upper solution. I don't know what it's called, but I know it breaks up sludge. But yeah, I'm ready to turn the fountain on. And today is Coronation Day for King Charles, so I think it's quite symbolic. So anyway, let me go get the Clorox and pour that in, and then I gotta, let's see. Once it finishes covering the filter right there, then I can turn it on. Okay guys, so there's the fountain. It's on. I'm gonna have to call the company to install it because I think over time it settled. And so it's slightly unbalanced. And so the front side of it, I'm getting this. The back side of it is definitely less water. It's more like dripping. So you can kind of see even from the back side. So I think it just needs a couple of shims. Let me see if you can see from the water level, like on the left side, slightly lower. So even at the top, it's kind of like that. So it's slightly tilted. So I'm going to call the company to install it and see if they can come out and re-level it. Because I just think it's settling. But I miss the sound. I'm really happy it's back up and running. So it's been a great day out in the garden. I tore a lot of stuff out, cut a lot of things back. Now I just have to start throwing all the stuff away. So I planted a few things. I didn't really finish planting because I decided to clean out the promenade beds because I need to start putting some of the seedlings out there. So I'm going to put this step ladder on the thing, and then I'll show you, to grab the dog, and I'll show you what I did over there. Okay guys, so all of this is what I pulled out today from the beds. And on this side, I did down here. There's even some along the back of this bed. I'll get it up tomorrow. It's too dark. I'm going to pull out my cart and drive it around here and pick things up. But I can just mulch right on top of this because what's left is just, you know, that'll break down. I pulled the big stuff out. But I'm really happy with how thick everything looks. That's why I love planting perennials, because it's just, it looks great. But here's the back side of this. So yeah, it's coming together. And then I need to finish weeding down here. I need to remulch this bed. Actually, I'm going to put some preen down too. But anyway, right now the pooch and I are out for our little walk. And then, you know what, I think I'm going to go run to Wawa and get some Silly and some Sally, as we call it, and get myself some pizza and watch the rest of Queen Charlotte on Bridgerton. So the fountain is off, as you can see. I turned it off. It, like, see all this? This is algae. It was not looking like this yesterday. I did put some Clorox. It's like an algicide and that sort of thing. And I think this is what happened. It's clumping up all the algae. And so it clogged. I cleaned the filter because there's a filter on it but then I think the filter ended up getting so clogged that the water can't go up. And so, yeah. So anyway, I ordered a vacuum because what I'll need to do is just put it on the bottom and just vacuum the bottom of the thing. So I'm going to go to Lowe's because I think I've shocked the water, which is what you're supposed to do, but I need all of that algae right there. I need all of that to go down to the bottom. So we shall see. Yeah, I've never seen it do this like this before. So, because I've used that stuff before. But yeah, so just a lot of gunkiness. And I think once I do that, and hold on for a second, just so you guys can see. I think it'll suck everything that's on the bottom. If there's algae down there, it'll pick that up, and then hopefully that'll fix the issue. I mean, once I have it, I'll be able to regularly vacuum the bottom of the pool. I may actually have to put more water in here because the water needs to be pretty deep for it actually to work, because it's got to be completely submerged. So, yeah. It's always something, right? But you know what? I'll get the hang of it. And once I figure out what to do, it'll be fine. So, anywho, you know what? I wanted to do some stuff out in the yard, but I don't think that's going to happen today. Because I need to make some food. I need to I need to go grocery shopping. And I don't know. So, daffodils are done. As you can see, the chrysanthemums they're spreading everywhere. That is Snapdragon right there. So, and I'm hoping that these bearded irises will open tomorrow. That'll be nice. Oh, you know what? The other peonies are starting to open. This is so pretty. Okay. Yeah. So I lost the tags on these, so I was trying to figure out which one was the Coral Charm as opposed to the Hawaiian Pink. And if you guys notice that right there, I knew that I got some Coral Charm roots from Lowe's, but they never did anything, but apparently now it's coming up. And so one's right there, and as you can see, the leaves are very different from what's right here. Kind of, yeah, these are kind of more thin, but when you come down here, these leaves on this one are a little bit more like chunky. So I'm pretty sure that's Coral Charm, and this is Hawaiian Pink. The color on them, I think if we were getting a lot more sun, the color would be dramatically different. But it's not, because it's been rather overcast. So I'll wait till this one opens a little bit more, because I think this will be open fully tomorrow. And then I'll compare it to that one over there. I did look at this one YouTube video, and the woman was saying that basically with the Hawaiian Pink, the flower is a little bit smaller, but I think it's really in the color. And yeah, you know what? I'm pretty sure this is Hawaiian pink, because for whatever reason I thought when I looked at a picture online, like the outer petals are darker than the inner petals, which that's what that looks like. This one, I guess you could say, is somewhat similar, but a lot of this color is changing because of its aging to a different color. So, or who knows? Maybe wherever I bought them had them all mislabeled. Who knows? But I'm pretty sure that this is the Hawaiian pink. So, like I said, the leaves are different from this one to that one. It's just this one is a little thicker. So anyway, that's how I'm going about it. There's my yellow-bearded irises, and my yarrow is getting ready to flower. So that's all pretty. Oh, somebody's growling right now, guys. Oh man, I'm so hungry. Okay. I gotta go find some food. Gotta find some food. This is not gonna work. Back on. And it's been running for quite some time now. Because when I first got home, I cleaned the filter, put it back on, stuck it in. It stopped working after a few minutes. I tried putting it inside that pot. It stopped. I don't know if it's because I skimmed most of the algae out, and also I moved the filter so that it's like right up at the base, and as you can see there's no algae, and I put it down on its side. I don't know. All I know is that it's been working like it's supposed to. So, and then I went and watered all the plants and came back and it's still on. So, like I said, I got to get them to re-level it because I can tell it's slightly tilted. See, if you look at the base, there's some shims like right there. So it looks like they need to put a couple more on that side to the front to kind of tilt it slightly back. And I think that'll do it. But then I forgot to call them today. I'll call them tomorrow. But meanwhile, I didn't get anything done in the garden today. I was too distracted by the fountain not working. But if you guys want to take a look over here, this is the Do Tell peony. It's massive. I mean, look at this peony. It's massive. And then this is the Desdemona rose, and it's got buds everywhere. And then this is another Do Tell peony, and then there's one over here. This one only has like 2 buds. I mean, it's big. I think this may be the first year it's blooming. This one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buds. So, but this one always had a lot of buds on it. So I'm happy about that. And in general, all the peonies are opened or they're budding. So they're all budded up. So. But yeah, so I'm going to go to the store. Hopefully that stays that way. I did order a vacuum from Amazon, so that should be here on Tuesday. And then I should be able to vacuum the bottom of the pool. And I think once I finish cleaning it out, that'll really make a difference. The other thing is, I think I might need a slightly more powerful pump. I think I might want to try maybe 1,000-gallon pump, I think. Because I think it needs a little bit more oomph. So, anyway. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so here's how the fountain is doing. I've had it running all day. Definitely a lot less sludge and that sort of thing. I do have the vacuum, so I'll be using that once it gets charged up. And there's a lizard that's in the fountain. I don't know when that got there. I'm sure all this chlorine cannot be doing it good, but it is what it is. So there is a little bit more algae that I'll have to, skim off the thing. I do have to put the flockant in there tonight, and then tomorrow I should be able to vacuum. I'm probably gonna have to get this skimmer and get that lizard out because it shouldn't be there. But what are you gonna do? It's great outdoors for you.